Hi there, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make your own home decoration. This is not only just for your home, it could be for your office or for your room. So make sure to watch till the end and subscribe. So you'll need some popsicle sticks, some paper, a pair of scissors, and cardboard. The thinner the better, and you'll also need some glue. Step 1 is to cut your cardboard piece into a small square using a pair of scissors. The next step is to just cover the cardboard piece with some paper. I'm using white paper, however you could use any other color you prefer. Next, just grab your popsicle sticks and glue them around the square. This should create a frame shape. So as you can see, we still have a few parts sticking out after we've glued the popsicle sticks. All you have to do is just cut that out using some scissors. And so it should look like this once you are done. Next, you just have to grab some markers and just write something inside the frame. Of course, you could just glue popsicle sticks around a picture, but I'm just gonna write some inspirational quotes onto the frame. So yeah, this is just a little message I wrote inside the frame. Like I said before, you could just draw a picture or just frame around a picture of yourself and your family. So yeah, I decided to make two. This one says be courageous and kind, and the other one says be happy for you too. These are honestly great for me. So next, just make a frame using some popsicle sticks and just add a few drops of glue at the bottom so that it could be more rubbery and less slippery, and it'll actually help with the standing of the frame. And all you have to do is just stick it onto the back of the frame, and it should be able to stand on its own. So once you are done gluing the frame at the back, just add a popsicle stick onto the top, and it could give it a nice cleaner finish onto the top. And that should actually complete our picture frame. Now all we have to do is just make a little more stuff to decorate with. So here's what you'll need. So you'll need like old caps from roll-on deodorant bottles. This is actually great because we actually just recycling a little bit. Next, you'll need some artificial roses. All you have to do is just cut off the stems off the stem, and you'll need as much as you want. So you also need some hot glue. Next, just spread some hot glue around the deodorant cap, and then just stick the flower on the cap, and it's really that simple. You don't even have to do a lot of work, just gluing the flower inside the deodorant cap. And as you can see here, I made 3. You could make as much as you want to. Next, you'll need some empty glue bottles, some hot glue, and artificial plants. So basically, we'll just be needing the cap of the empty glue bottle. So just glue in the plants, just like how we made the rose plant pot. Just glue in the plant, and that should actually complete the cap. It's really that simple. It's not really hard at all. And then you should be done with the plants. This is actually really nice and it should definitely go with our picture frame. So now you are done with the home decor or office or room. Wherever you could put this stuff, it'll definitely look awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.